AI is everywhere. From crafting engaging text to generating stunning visuals, the world is being transformed by artificial intelligence. But beneath the surface of these attention-grabbing applications lies a critical foundation: data infrastructure.
Hello, welcome to OceanStor Talks. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of AI-ready data infrastructure. Joining me today is our expert in the field of Huawei data storage, Ethan. Welcome.
Hello, this is Ethan. It's a very good opportunity for me to talking about the AI. It's a hot topic nowadays, so I will share some experience and opinions to you.
Around the world, AI development is in full swing, with innovation like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Sora and iFlyte's SparkDesk. When people talk about AI infrastructure, they usually focus on computing clusters. But today, we want to talk about data infrastructure. So, Ethan, and what does data infrastructure have to do with AI?
That's a good question, and I think it's also a very hot question. We know that there are many of the elements of the AI, but I think that three core elements. First is the computing power, second algorithm, and the third is the data. It's generally agreed we need a lot of the high quality data server for the AI. As data infra provides the data required for AI computing power, it must be AI ready in terms of the performance, scalability, and access protocols. For example, you can think of the AI computing power like the human brain. Data is the information we gather from the real lives and our work. Our brains learn from the found rules in the information, which is called the training process. Then we analyze the problems and come up with the solutions, and this is called the inference process. It's important to note that we can think properly without enough information or without enough correct information. The data comes in different formats, like text, like images, like video, voices, and so on. And in different senses, for example, hearing, sending, there are different kinds of the information we get from the real world. So data infra plays a key role in providing diverse data. This kind of the diverse means two things. First is the different kinds of the information, different types of information. And second, it infers to different format of the information. It needs high capability storage, and it also needs the high performance storage to avoid the idle XPUs. Please let me to call it the XPU because of the different infras. We have the GPU, NPU, and different architecture, and it also needs the different types of the diverse format and the different kinds of information for data formats and APIs.
Okay, but what exactly is AI-ready data infrastructure?
AI-ready data infra refers to the software and hardware solutions for the whole AI end-to-end process. Compared to the traditional services, AI services involve more complex elements. For example, the data management, various data types, and frequent data access, and the larger data volumes. AI service can be broken down into several phases: data aggregation, cleaning, loading, training, and inference. Each phase has different data and performance requirements. Therefore, data infrastructure is only truly AI ready if it can meet the access needs for each phase while ensuring strong reliability and resilience.
Okay, can you explain why it's necessary?
Well, at the very beginning of the AI, we hurry up. Hurry up in what? Hurry up in the investing of the big AI cluster. We invest a lot into how to build a very large AI cluster. It's a huge amount of the investment. But actually, 50% of the money is wasted by us. Why? Because the bigger the cluster, the low efficiency and the low utilization it will happen in the AI cluster training process. Please let me to take the Meta's Llama 3 as example. In fact, over 54 days of the training period, there were 47 times of the corruptions which were planned, and more than 400 of the unexpected corruptions happened. And the average training period only less than 3 hours. When we're talking about the checkpoint is one of the regular situations which the cluster stop. If we have the very efficient storage to keep the data and to recover the data in time, we can save a lot of the time. And the AI clusters just immediately start the training again from the time it corrupts, instead of the starting from the very beginning or from the crash. So if we can effectively reduce the time AI computing power spends waiting for the data, including the debugging, including the checkpoint, we can minimize the idle time of the AI cluster. It can save a lot of the money. It's one way we call the enhancing computing with storage. In addition, large AI models are shifting from focus on training to inference, because the inference is a very efficient way to increase the efficiency of our daily lives and works. Many of the companies focus on the capabilities and efficiencies of the inference. So in the inference phase, the AI clusters generate a lot of the intermediate tokens. Such kind of the tokens can be stored in the storage and also can be abundant. And another time, the next round of the inference, the computer can regenerate the same tokens and can also read the tokens from the storage. If they read the tokens from the storage, it can save a lot of time and it can save a lot of the power. It's one way how the storage can utilize the efficiencies, increase the efficiencies of the inference.
Okay, thank you for your detailed explanation. And what are the benefits of building an AI data-ready infrastructure?
There are many of the benefits. The AI-ready data infra can significantly improve the utilization of the computing power for large AI model training, while also reducing the latency and increasing the throughput. Look at the Huawei's professional-grade AI storage, the OceanStor A series. It's a data infra built for AI workload, offering high bandwidth, high IOPS, the online scalability and EB level capability. When paired with Human's global file system software, we also provide the Omni Dataverse. It's one kind of the software to do the management of the metadata and have a global glance review and the management of the data of different types and from the different of the storage devices. And for a large AI model training, the OceanStor A series improving the utilization of the computing in clusters by over 30%. Is a significant improvement because we know that the AI cluster system and the time is very valuable. It reduces latency by 80% in the inference applications, thanks to the multi-level cable cache. The boost throughput by 70% on a single inference of the GPU card. Remember that the data infra accounts for about 10% or 50% of the overall the AI intelligent computer center investment. So the AI-ready data infra improves the availabilities and utilization of the AI computing power without breaking the banks. If we do a very serious calculation by comparison of the AI-ready storage and the traditional storage, we can find out the end-to-end investment. The AI storage is similar with the traditional one.
Huawei has already made many innovations in this field. What do you think the future of AI-ready data infrastructure will look like?
As mentioned earlier, AI-ready data infra must combine efficiency and performance. It should be easy to aggregate and match mass data, access data quickly, and allow for flexible online scalability. For AI inference, it's a hot topic today because there's one famous talking is that training is for the investment of the money and inference is earn money back. So inference is very important. For the storage, it must use long-term memory storage, serving as an innovation data paradigm. That being said, we believe that storage is valuable, but data is priceless. Data protection is absolutely essential for AI-ready data infra. It must provide suitable data resilience. There is also a demand for sustainability based on high energy efficiency, low power consumption, and less space occupation. These features are necessary for AI-ready data infra.
Thank you for sharing your insights.
Thank you. Thank you giving me the good opportunities to sharing my information to all the audience. Frankly speaking, I think today a lot of the innovations and a lot of creations happen every day in the AI era. So everyone is a hero. Everyone is a hero in the AI era. So thank you.
Yeah, and thank you to our audience for staying tuned of our OceanStor talks. And remember to stay tuned for more updates of our program. And thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.